Hey guys, so long time no see. Again, I suck at being a YouTuber, which I don't even classify myself as. I just like to make videos and post them when I can. Anywho, I went grocery shopping and I went to Aldi and I went to Target. I didn't go into Target to get groceries, but I ended up with some groceries because, I don't know, they were stocking things and they were putting out new things and I wanted to get some things. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my fridge for you. I'm going to organize my fridge for you. I'm going to show you my groceries, and this is going to be a really fun video. So let's go ahead and get started. And if I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder, it's because because I just got this camera for Christmas and it's really cool. It's really fun. Sorry. It's like really hard to like, anyway, let's get started. Okay, so here's a voiceover. I got chicken breast tenderloins and fajita steak for dinners, some chips for Donnie, got some other chips for me to try, bread, mini chocolate bears, little noodles, tortillas. This is all from Aldi, by the way. I got quinoa brown rice just to throw in the microwave, some green beans, taco seasoning, some applesauce, just unsweetened regular for me and the kids. And then I've got this little Southwest chopped salad kit and some baby spinach. Then I found these. It's just protein yogurt and it had some good like macros, I guess you call it, on there. These are just the toasted coconut vanilla. Dean likes those. And then I got this brownie batter hummus for my strawberries. I love dipping them in chocolate hummus. Grabbed these two for Rowie to try. We just got apple peach banana with yogurt and then pear apple broccoli for on the go, because I make most of all of her meals. Okay. I guess I'm trying to get it to focus. And then I've got this from Target, just regular organic grape jelly. And here we are with the focusing problem again. Grab these Tostitos cheese to go with the chips. Here's some more over here. Got these from Target also, the grapes. And then I've got 2 batches of strawberries, which were Aldi. Just some shredded lettuce for our tacos or fajitas. Those peppers also for our fajitas. I grabbed 2 of those, or 1 of those, and then the perfect pack of bars. Grabbed this Chobani Flip to try. And then I grabbed these 2 for the kids. This was new. It looked really good. Strawberry Smash. And they're both by Stonyfield Organic. And then I've got Tropical Twist. So it looks good. There's no yogurt in them or dairy or anything. And I guess I'm looking at the sugars. Okay, there's 8. And no added sugar, so that's good. Over here, I've just got some chicken nuggets that I got at Aldi. Usually I like to get like an organic brand of chicken nuggets, but I just grabbed those. Some Reese cookies, some organic milk, 2%, and then I got this at Target, the Skinny Caramel Macchiato from Target. I'm going to try that out. Got some Moo Tubes for the kids, and these Toquitos, chicken and beef, which are just for like Donnie for quick and easy stuff. Got my 2 Stoke coffees and then 2 orange juices, as well as a pizza to just throw in the oven for easy dinners.
Sweet, sweet talking, pretty eyes, pretty lips. You know they told me you will fall too easily, but guess I like a quick fix. It's just not that I don't listen, it's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension, it's just the way I want you to come closer. Go ahead, yeah, go ahead. Go and break my little heart, yeah, break my little heart. I don't care, no, I don't care. Either way I fall apart. You know they say that they don't even know your name. It's just not that I don't listen, it's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension, it's just the way I want you to come closer. Go ahead, yeah, go ahead, go and break my little heart, yeah, break my little heart. I don't care, no, I don't care, either way I fall apart. Would you break my, would you break my, would you break my, would you break my, break my, would you 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 break my, break my, would you break my. You know they want me, but you're sweet, sweet talking. You know they told me you would fall too easily, but I guess I like a quick fix. Go ahead, yeah, go ahead, go and break my little heart, yeah, break my little heart. I don't care, no, I don't care, either way I fall apart. Would you break my, would you break my, would you break my, would you break my, break my, would you 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 break my, break my, would you break my. Thinking about the way that you know me, no one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space, babe. It never worked out with the others, all we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different, you got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it, 'cause you know it's important. This time it's all different, you got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so
Alright.
fly? You got me like.
Let's see. Dun, da, da. Okay, so this is the fridge. So here I've just got the condiments. Went ahead and put the pizza up here. I've got Roe's Foods here. Let me pull this up a little bit. Got the eggs. And then I've just got the grapes. I left them in here. I put the strawberries in this little container thing. I didn't have enough. I probably need to get a bit bigger one of these and get another one too. And then I just put the meat back there for now. Our spinach, hummus, thing of yogurts. Usually we don't have this many yogurts at a time, but today we do. Got our juice boxes, our pouches, yogurts, more yogurts for the kids, milk, chocolate almond, regular milk, applesauce, extra drinks, and then I've got both these of veggies. So, I've got some apples in here, but I've got the carrots, onions, green beans, and then my peppers, salad, lettuce, asparagus, And then in here, we've just got my Perfect bars, the kids' little yogurt tubes, cheese sticks, all the different cheeses, sliced cheese, deli meat, cookies, and then those are tortillas under there. And that about covers it for my fridge. I'll show you my freezer too. Actually, I'm gonna close the fridge because it's been open for a really long time. And then this is just a big unorganized mess. So, got green beans, chicken breast strips, hamburger meat, peaches, chicken nuggets, broccoli, more fruit, more veggies, teething ring. Oh, I give it to you. Here you go. Want this? Yum, yum, yum. Is it good? What do you think? Back there, I've just got my breast milk, and then we've just got some Omaha steaks we got from Christmas and things like that. So, yeah, that about covers it for this. Whoa, it's really bright. How do I turn that down? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so that about covers it for this grocery haul. Clean my fridge organization, whatever you want to call it, video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully more content will be coming your way. I like to say that and then I don't post anything. I'm so bad. But I'm really trying, especially now that I got my camera. I have no excuse. So, that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Shut.